What is going on, Mad Fisherman? Oh, it's been a bit since been a video. I apologize for that. It's been busy with work and stuff, but I am back now and we're gonna be busting some videos. Hopefully 2 days a week. We got bass opener this Saturday, so we're gonna make a video today, hopefully tomorrow, and then Saturday. And then after that, 2 to 3 videos a week. We got bass opener, I got some more free time on my hands. So yeah, but besides that, apologize, I was gone for a little bit. We're still making videos, I'm still here, we're still fishing. Okay, so today we are going to do some bullhead, crappie, and maybe some walleye. More focusing on bullhead today, but yeah, we're gonna go for some walleye and crappie too, maybe some pike. But yeah, it is 6:30 p.m. It's almost dark, another couple hours, and yeah, right now we're just throwing the lure around, see what we can catch, and then we're gonna do some bullhead fishing, throw the bobber and the worm out, see what we can get. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and road to 1,000 subscribers. That is the goal by December. So let's go. Another kitty. Oh, that's a. Oh no, it's a big sunfish. It's a big sunfish. Oh, I thought it was a cat. I really thought that was a cat. It's gotten brighter out here. In a bad way, though. Oh. There we go. That's a catfish. Or a pike. No, that's a catfish. Oh. That's a catfish. That's a big catty. That's a big kitty. That's a big kitty. I told you there's a big kitty there. Look at that catfish. Oh. Too much drag. Too much drag. It's so much fun to fight them on the light rods. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe it's not that big. Oh, big brown bullhead. There we go. Look at that baby. Oh. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a beast. She's a beast of a fish. Oh, looks like that's a nice fish. All right, let's release this guy. There it goes. All right, first kitty. Ooh, what's going on, Mad Fisherman? Late intro. We already caught a bowfin and a catfish, but yeah, we're doing pretty good. This is, like I said, late intro. We're catfishing, channel catfish, no bullheads. See if we can get another one. But yeah, we're doing good. It's thundering out here. No rain, nothing like that. Bugs are killer right now. Bugs are killer. But yeah, let's see if we can catch more catfish. At least one more, and then we're gonna get out of here because these bugs are killing me. So stay tuned. And remember to like and subscribe because the videos are just gonna get better. So remember, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. I got the bowfin. I got the bowfin. Oh my god, it's huge. Where's the net? There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. We got the bowfin. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. Oh yeah. This is it. My first bowfin. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh yeah. We got a fighter. We have a fighter. This is a biggie. Oh, first bowfin, baby. First bowfin. This thing's huge. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this thing. I gotta get in the net. Yes! Yes! That's what I'm talking about! That's what I'm talking about! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! First big bowfin! Okay, so it's gonna thunder here, and we got a kitty on. This is a cat. This is a cat. Yeah, that's a cat. That's a kitty. That's a kitty. Of course, I left my net over here. Nothing big. Decent sized cat, I think, probably. Oh. And thundering. Come on. I love how it's thundering and I'm getting a kitty in. Oh, come on. Please don't electrocute me and getting this cat. Come on. Oh, he must be decent. Oh. Okay, my arm's hurting. Fighting that bowfin. And I'm fighting this cat. Oh, I can hear thunder in the background. Maybe this wasn't the right one. Yeah, there's the cat right there. I can see her. Yeah. Let's get her in. Let's get this kitty in. Oh, it's a decent kitty. It's a decent kitty. Oh. Nope, don't go under there. Oh, no. There we go. Nice. Nice. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Gonna win this tournament yet. Gonna win the tournament yet, buddy.